One of the important role as manager for you is to make your subordinates feel responsible. They treat their work as work. Hello, my name is Manisha Agarwal and I'm a corporate trainer. In Hindi, they actually say काम से काम रखना. They literally treat their work in a very transactional way because somewhere they are not connected with their bosses and leaders. They are not even connected with the people with whom they work. Actually, they are not connected with the work itself. So, the first thing is to build connection. For building connection, the most simple thing is to spend time with them, having conversations with them about their personal life, about their background, their goals, and definitely sharing yours too, because that is only going to build connections. Now, the next level is the ownership. If you really want your people to demonstrate ownership, first thing is you need to demonstrate ownership in a very genuine way for the organizational goals, for the departmental goals, and for the job itself. The next step in the ownership is you just have to make sure and be conscious that whatever kind of work you are giving to them is not just doing it without using their minds. They don't have to think. If this kind of work is given to them, eventually, over a period of time, they lose connection. Because human beings love to create, ideate, they love to contribute. So, you need to make sure in your team with the subordinates, be it in any department or in the kind of job role they are, that they have two types of responsibilities. One, which I called as contribution responsibility, in which they just do what is supposed to do with the relevant job and task which is given to them, the immediate goals and responsibilities. The next, what we call as creative responsibility, where you give them some kind of business challenge, some kind of creative challenge. You push them to think, you push them to create, you push them to brainstorm about those things. So, if you are able to manage their role and keep a balance of their contribution role and their creative role, chances are high that subordinates are likely to take ownership of their work. If you think this piece of information is of some value, kindly share it and like it. But definitely make sure that the first step in everything is establishing relationship. Thank you.